Students, today we are going to learn the second comprehensive problem on retirement of a partner. Look at the board. Sum number 2. Charles, Muthu and Segar are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:4:2. Their balance sheet as at 31st December 2018 as follows. Liability assets are given. Liability side capital, workman compensation fund, creditor are given. Asset side furniture, stock, debtor, bank, profit and loss account are given. Then adjustment. On 1st January 2019, Charles retired from the firm on the following condition. Condition number 1. Stock appreciated. Stock is an asset. Asset value appreciated. It is a profit item. Furniture depreciated. Furniture is an asset. Its value decreases. It is a loss item. To provide ₹1,000 for bad debts. So provision for bad debts is a liability. We are providing. It is a loss item. There is an outstanding repair of 11,000 not yet recorded. So we have to provide for outstanding repair bill of 11,000. So that is a liability, loss item. The final amount due to Charles was paid by check. The total interest of the retiring partner to be settled by check. Yes, students, we have to prepare revaluation account, capital account and new balance sheet. First, we are going to prepare revaluation account, then capital account, bank account and balance sheet. First, we are going to prepare the revaluation account. For that, we will take revaluation profit item and loss item. Stock appreciated by 10%. It is a profit item, should be credited with the revaluation account. Buy stock, 10% of stock. Stock 40,000 on the 10%, 4,000 rupees is a profit item. Then furniture depreciated by 5%. Furniture 20,000, 5% 1,000. So it is a loss item. Furniture 1,000, it is a loss item. Then provide 1,000 for bad debts is a loss item. Provision for bad debts. Provision for bad debts is a loss item. Then there is an unrecorded outstanding repair bill 11,000 rupees. That is a loss item to be debited. To outstanding repair bill 11,000. Then, okay, revaluation, loss item and profit items are recorded in the revaluation. Now I am going to balance it. In this case, the debit total exceeds the credit total. That is, loss value heavier than profit value. Yes, we are going to balance debit side total 13,000. 13,000. The balancing figure 9,000. This we called revaluation loss. Revaluation loss should be transferred to all partner capital account. Charles, Muthu and Segar in old ratio. Old ratio given in the question 3:4:2. So total available share 9. So 3,000 goes to Charles, 4,000 goes to Muthu, 2,000 goes to Segar capital account. So the revaluation loss transferred to old partner capital account in old ratio. Then we are going to prepare capital account. For capital account preparation, we should read the problem from beginning to end. So we'll start with the liability. Capitals are given. Capital should be credited to the capital account. By balance BD. Charles capital 30,000. Muthu capital 40,000. Segar capital 20,000. So capital taken to the capital account. Then workman compensation fund. Workman compensation fund should be transferred to the capital account credit side. Here for workman compensation fund, no other liability. So we can transfer the entire workman compensation fund to the partner's capital account by workman compensation fund. 27,000. The same ratio 3,000. So 9,000 to Charles. 12,000 to Muthu, 6,000 to Segar. Okay, 27,000 divided in 3:4:2. Then creditor will not come to capital account. Furniture, stock, debtor, bank will not come to capital account. Profit and loss account given in the asset side. It is a loss. So loss should be debited to the capital account. To profit and loss account, it should be divided in 3:4:2. The loss value how much? 18,000. So 18,000 should be divided in 3:4:2. 6,000 to Charles, 8,000 to Muthu, 4,000 to Sekhar. Then we'll move to the adjustments. Stock appreciated, it is a profit item. Furniture is a loss item. Provide for bad debts is a loss item. Outstanding repair is a loss item. We recorded. The final amount due to Charles was paid by check. We can settle the retiring partner by giving a check. Before his settlement, we will transfer the revaluation loss to the capital account. Revaluation loss should be debited in the capital account. 3,000, 4,000, 2,000. First, we have to settle the retiring partner. Who is retiring? Charles. So, Charles should be settled first. How we can settle the 39,000 minus 9,000, 30,000 we paid by check. The Charles paid by check. So, to bank, balancing figure. For this, the entry is Charles capital account data to bank. So, Charles settled. Now, we have to balance Muthu and Sekhar. So, Muthu 52,000, 26,000. 52, 26. Balance 40,000 and 20,000. To balance CD, by balance PD, 40,000 Muthu closing capital, Sekhar closing capital 20,000. Then we are going to prepare bank account. Our opening bank balance given in the old balance sheet. Opening bank balance given in the old balance sheet 42,000, of which we paid Charles. Charles paid how much? 30,000. So our opening balance 42,000, of which 30,000 paid to Charles. So our closing bank balance is 12,000. Our closing bank balance is 12,000. It will come to the new balance sheet asset side. Then we are going to prepare new balance sheet. When we prepare new balance sheet, we should start with the asset side. Furniture. First asset is furniture. 20,000. It has adjustment. The furniture depreciated by 5%. Minus depreciation 5%. 1,000. Then stock. Stock. Old value 40,000. Adjustment appreciation. So appreciation means we have to add 10%. So 4,000 to be added. So balance 44,000. Then debtor. Debtor 30,000 minus provision for bad debts given in the adjustment. How much? 1,000 rupees. Closing debtor 29,000. Bank balance, old balance 42,000. After payment to Charles capital, our closing bank balance 12,000. Profit and loss account transferred to the capital account. It will not come to the new balance sheet. Then move to the liability side. Capital of continuing partner we supposed to write, namely Muthu and Sekhar. Muthu capital, Sekhar capital. Just now we ascertained 40,000 and 20,000. 40,000 and 20,000. Then workman compensation fund transfer to the partner's capital account. It will not come to the balance sheet. Then creditors. Creditor 33,000. Okay. We considered all assets and liability. Then we have to consider the adjustment too. Then only we should balance the balance sheet. Stock appreciated. It is a profit item added with the stock. Furniture depreciated. It is a loss item deducted from furniture. Rupees 1,000 bad debts. Rupees 1,000 bad debts provided. It is a loss item deducted from debtor. Outstanding repair. It is a loss item and it will appear in the new balance sheet also because there is an outstanding repair of 11,000 not yet recorded. So outstanding repair bill 11,000 should be recorded in the new balance sheet. Then the final amount due to Charles was paid by check. It will be debited in the capital account. It will be debited in the capital account and credited in the bank account. It will not come to the balance sheet. Now we are going to balance the balance sheet. 1,04,000, 1,04,000. Students, we completed 2 problems. In next class we will solve the 3rd problem. Till then, bye and thank you.